Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. Welcome back to another video. This is MFG mode error. This error on the HP Laserjet Pro M404dn printer. This error occurs after turning on the printer. If this error is shown, printing cannot be performed. Now I will show you how to solve this problem very easily. After coming this error, you will press power button once. The printer will be ready. In this situation, you will press OK and press again and again right button and search printer maintenance and press OK. Again pressing right button and search restore. After getting, you will press OK and pressing again and again right. After getting cold reset, you will press OK button, press OK and again OK. It will reset and shut down. After shutting down, you will press power button once. You will be see the mode again. Now you will press power button again. Select your country or near country. After getting, press OK button and self manage OK. Press OK again and OK. Again OK press OK and OK. Now the printer problem is solved. Now we will shut down the printer and on again. The printer problem has been solved. If this video was useful, please hit the subscribe button.